What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're kicking off the holiday by making our lockdown Shamrock Shake. This is a creamy, minty shake, and milkshakes are one of Eric's favorite beverage, right? This is a great beverage to kick off the holiday today so we can celebrate all that's green. So, happy Wednesday, happy St. Patrick's Day, and let's make us a lockdown Shamrock Shake. Since I can't have any milkshake, I have my, I have a peach beverage. Okay, so here's a Vitamix. You want a really strong blender for this, so you don't get it jammed or anything. This is whole milk. I'm gonna start off maybe like putting a half a cup in there. I don't want to make a huge amount because this is just Eric eating this. So you can like double, quadruple this recipe. I have some Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream. Look at that. Eric was so kind as to scoop it for me, so I didn't have to, go through that because it's kind of hard to scoop sometimes. Woo! Looks good already. So I have some green food coloring. I know a lot of people don't like to use food coloring, but that's what you got to use for the shamrock, right? I'm going to put like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of common everyday food coloring. And I have some mint extract. You can get this on your regular grocery store aisle. Some places have peppermint, and some people say, oh, don't get the peppermint, only get mint. I don't know if it makes any difference, because this is what my store usually has. So I accidentally one time grabbed some of this out of my cupboard because I was trying to get vanilla. It wasn't too
kind of woke you up, didn't it?
Yeah, because this stuff ain't no joke. So you maybe want to put about 1/4 teaspoon in.
That might be enough right there. Go gentle.
It's pretty powerful. So we're going to put the old Vitamix on, turn it on. Okay, so we have our base done. Now we're going to go ahead and thicken it up. I'm going to put in 2 additional cups of ice cream. So we have 4 cups total of ice cream. Let's rock and roll. I think it looks pretty good. So let me move this blender and get our cup over here. So it looks pretty thick. So we'll see if I'm able to pour it in here. I'm going to have to shovel it. Ooh, that looks pretty shamrocky there, boo.
May need to bring closer to me, my pretty.
Pretty shamrocky. It smells minty. I think the fast food restaurant ain't got nothing on this. this lockdown St. Patrick's Day milkshake. And we got our delicious whipped cream right out of the can. You got to give it a nice shakeroo. Make sure it's coming. Woo! Make sure it's coming out. Give us a little. How's that, Boo?
Sure, why not?
We have a little shake of green sprinkles to tie it all together. Ooh, look at that. That's Shamrocky. Let me put a little on this side. Ooh, yeah. We're gonna top it off with a cherry on top. 2 cherries, Boo?
Why not?
So, my Boo's gonna come over here and take him a little shamrock taste. Okay, Boo, come on over and drink your Shamrock Shake. Look at that. Let's toast a happy St. Patrick's Day.
I gotta use a spoon here, right? At least at the beginning. Real whipped cream.
We're whipped cream out of the can.
Close enough. Not Cool Whip.
Does it taste minty?
So it's minty. Amy did a really good job. She didn't go crazy with it. So it's not, can breathe fire and you can smell me a mile away. So it didn't ruin it.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, Boo. You're getting it on your face.
Kiss.
That's a green nose. Stop.
Yum, yum.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Happy Wednesday and happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you enjoyed our little fun with this Shamrock Shake, lockdown Shamrock Shake. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. If you like this video, come and join us as we on our journey to become better cooks. Hit that subscribe button below and the bell. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're doing this St. Patrick's Day and Wednesday. And come on over and visit me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. Post your pictures, what you're cooking for St. Patrick's Day. We'd really love to see that. Also, you can catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy Wednesday. I hope you have a great holiday. Let's get this party started. Let's make a lockdown Shamrock Shake for St. Patrick's Day. Happy Thanksgiving. It's Wednesday. And post your pictures on what you're cooking for Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Post your pictures what you're cooking for